Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Morning, sir. Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, Nita.
Again, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, this is combined class.
Yes. So we have in class 7th A, we have already done question 12. In class 7B also. 7B students, have you all done question 12?
Yes,
Sir, we have to start from second part.
Sir, no.
Okay, so question number 13. Let's start with question 13. 13 is homework. Okay, very similar to question 12. 13th one you will try in homework. Class 7A also has to do that question in homework. 13th one.
Sir, in our section 14, first part has been done.
Yes. Question 14, first part. All of you, look at the board. Very similar question that we have done till now. Only one difference is there. That is, here you can see the thickness of the path is 1.5 meter. All of you, especially 7B students, 7th A have already done this. Thickness of the path is 1.5 meter here. On the left side and on the right side, it is 1.5. Right side may be 1.5. But on the upside, it is 1 meter. You can see I have marked it 1 meter thickness of the path. And in the bottom also, the thickness of the path is 1 meter. So if you are finding the length of the inner rectangle, you will subtract 1.5, 1.5 from left side and right side. So you get 40 meter length of the inner rectangle, 40 meter. And when you are finding the breadth, you subtract 1 meter, not 1.5. Getting the point, all of you, 7B students. Start
Yes,
doing
sir.
the question, make the figure, start doing the question yourself. Don't look in the board. Start doing it yourself. And keep your videos on everyone.
Okay, sir.
Start doing. And after completing the question, post your answers in the group.
Okay, sir.
Keep your videos on.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Keep your video on, everyone.
Sir, I can't see your screen.
Rejoin the meeting. Your network is not good.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if in the exam question come that area of the square, find the number is given. So in formula we can write side into side.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, done and
Those who have done the first part, they can now start trying the second part of question 14.
okay, sir.
Start doing it. Question 14, second part. In question 14, second part, you have to find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. What to do? Tell me, all of you. How will you find the area of the shaded region in question 14, second part? Yes, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, how will you find the area of shaded region in question 14, second part? In this question, you will first find the area of roads. You know how to find the area of roads. We have done a lot of questions like this. Question 11 भी किया था. Area of road.
That road one
हाँ.
question we have done like this.
So this type of question we have done. Question 14, second part. So we will first find the area of both the roads. But हमको roads का area नहीं निकालना है. We have to find the area of the shaded region. Now what to do? From the area of a square, you will subtract the area of both the roads. You will get the area of the shaded region. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, done and sent.
Find the area of the roads, and then from the area of a square, subtract the area of the roads. Okay. One step is more. I'm checking your answers, all of you. Absolutely right, Paridhi.
Okay, sir.
Question 14, second part. First of all, there is a square. Then there are two roads. That is something like this. Now here the shaded region is this. Okay. The side of the square is 40 meters. The thickness of the roads given 2 meter and 3 meter. So first we will find the area of both the roads.
Sir, length and breadth at 40 meter.
Yes. So first road the area is 40 into 40 into 2. This is the area of the vertical one, and plus 40 into 3. This is the area of the horizontal one. Then the common portion area you will subtract. So this is 3 into 2. So 80 plus 120 minus 6, 194 meters square. Now area of shaded region. Area of shaded part is equal to area of a square. Area of a square is 40 into 40 minus area of roads. Area of roads we have already got 194. So 1600 minus 194 is equal to 1406. Am I right? 1406 meters square. Very good.
Sir, after area of two roads, 194 meter square, have you written something?
Yes, beta, I have calculated the area of shaded part.
Sir, I cannot see.
There is some network issue with you.
Sir, you can say to someone 70, tell to send the screenshot.
Okay, let's do the next question. Okay, everyone try question 15. Question 15 is very easy. Try it. Keep your videos on. Try question 15. Keep your videos on, everyone. Keep your video on. It is compulsory to keep your video on, all of you. Have you done question 15? If you done question 15 and send the answer in the group?
Yes, sir. So question number 15, first part I have done. Second remain.
Sir, done and sent.
Sir,
Question 15, you just have to subtract the area of the inner rectangle from the outer rectangle. You will get the answer. First part. Second and third part you all will try in homework. Clear? All of you. Question 15.
Okay, sir.
Second and third part you all will. Sorry, question 16. Sorry. Second part of question 15 and question 16. These two you will try in homework. Okay. I hope there is no problem in first part of question 15. Is there any problem?
No,
You
sir,
can
no.
ask. Beta, tell me if there is any problem in question 15 first part. No problem. So maybe move on to the next topic. This exercise took a
Yes.
lot of time. It took, I think, 4 days, 3 or 4 days, 3 or 4 periods at least. For the next exercise, we have to study two new formulae. So first of all, write down the formulae. Area of a
Sir, area of a
parallelogram.
parallel GM.
Parallelogram.
Okay, sir. Answer of a rhombus. Sir, area of a rhombus 1/2 into projective diagonals and
So what is a
parallelogram base
parallelogram?
into height.
This is a parallelogram. In this, this is known as the height of the parallelogram. The distance between the parallel sides is known as height of the parallelogram, and this is the base of the parallelogram. Draw the figure, mark the height and base. Mark the height and base. Draw the figure. What is height? Height is the distance between the two parallel sides of a parallelogram, any two parallel sides. A parallelogram has two pairs of opposite sides which are parallel. I have marked parallel sides. Parallel sides ko we represent with arrows. So you can see in on two sides I have marked two arrows. I have shown two arrows in the figure. Can you see? On the side AD there are two arrows, and on the side BC also there are two arrows. So that means AD and BC are parallel, and on the side AB and CD there is single arrow. So that means side AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so there are two pairs of sides, opposite sides, which are parallel in a parallelogram. That is why it is known as a parallelogram. Understand the meaning of parallelogram? It is a quadrilateral which has two pairs of opposite sides parallel. Now the area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. This is the formula of area of parallelogram. It is not length into breadth, it is base into height. Base is side of the parallelogram and height is the corresponding distance between the two parallel lines. Perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines is known as the height. So ये हम height बोलेंगे. We cannot say that AD is the height. We can only say that A sorry, DE is the height of the parallelogram. DE की जो length होगी, that will be the height. So this is area of a parallelogram. Now the next is area of a rhombus. Rhombus is also a type of parallelogram, so we can use the formula of parallelogram to find the area of rhombus also. But there is
Sir, but
another
there is different formula.
another
for area
formula
of
to find the area of rhombus. I will tell you the formula. Rhombus and parallelogram में बहुत छोटा सा difference है. Like there is a difference between rectangle and square. What is the difference between a rectangle and a square, everyone?
Rectangle have length and breadth, and square have equal sides.
Similarly, in a
Sir, rhombus is
parallelogram,
a means tilted square.
you can say that. So rhombus, in a rhombus, all sides are equal. And in
Sir,
a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So this is the same relation which rectangle and square have. In a rectangle also,
sir,
opposite sides are
parallelogram is
equal.
also a tilted rectangle type of.
You can say that also. Now
Sir, these
area
are a
of
small brother.
rhombus,
1/2 into product of diagonal.
area is equal to half into product of diagonals. That means you can write d1 into d2. d1 is the first diagonal and d2 is the second diagonal. Half into d1 into d2. Diagonal 1, diagonal 2.
Sir, but in the book it is written product of diagonals.
That is the same thing.
Yes, sir. So first question is very easy.
Just a minute, let me share the link. Okay, so let's start with the exercise. Have you all written all the formulae and drawn the figures? You have drawn the figures, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start with,
First question, can we do ourselves?
yes, of course. Exercise 20C, question number 1. Start it, all of you. Find the area of a parallelogram with base. Base of the parallelogram is given 32 centimeters. Height of the parallelogram is given 16.5 centimeters.
So both
Write
multiply.
down the formula of area. Base into height. So 32 into 16.5. What do you get? 33. 33 into 16. 66 into 8. One 32 into 4. 264 into 2. 528. Am I right?
Yeah, sir.
232 into, sorry,
Sir,
264
answer will be
into 2.
528 centimeter square.
Correct.
So in the second one, we have to find the base of a parallelogram. No. So
Question
in
2.
second one also we have to find area in meter square.
The base of a parallelogram measures 1 meter 60 centimeters. Base
Sir,
is 1
excuse me,
meter.
sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, 75 centimeter, 0.75 meter, and
No, we are converting the base in centimeters. Okay. Find the
we
area
have to
in
find
meters
area
square.
in meter square.
Okay. So we can later on also we can convert. कोई बात नहीं यहीं पे कर लेते हैं. We will convert the base and height in meters. 1.6 meters. 0.75 meters. Now find the area. Area is equal to base into height. 1.6 into 0.75. Find the product. 0.8 into 1.5. 3, 6, 12, 1.2 meters square. Is it correct? Check it. One point two meters square. Okay. All of you. Any doubt in the question? I'm not giving you such easy
No,
questions
sir,
to do
very
yourself.
easy.
Let's move on to the next
Sir,
question. I hope you all have done in
yes.
your copies.
Sir, it's very easy.
Yes. Question
Sir,
number
next
3.
one can we do ourselves?
In a parallelogram, it is being given that base is equal to 14 decimeter. Base is 14 decimeter. Height is 6.5 decimeters. Find the area in centimeter square. So first you change the base in centimeters.
Sir, 140
140
centimeter.
centimeters.
And
And if you convert the base in meters, it will be 1.4 meters.
yes, sir.
In centimeter, the height is 65 centimeters, and if you change it in meters, it will be 0.65 meters. Now you can find the area in centimeter square. You can
So
write
someone,
in the bracket centimeter square.
Dave Arre has been joined.
Dave, it is not your class. Join after 3-4 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Area in centimeter square, 140 into 65. Find the product. 70 into 130. 9100. Is it correct? My maths is very weak. Please check my answer. And then
No,
area
sir.
is in meters square is equal to 1.4 into 0.65. So this is
Sir,
0.91
after area
meters.
centimeter square, you have written something.
Yes, beta, I have calculated the area. In centimeter
Yes, sir.
square, it is 9100 centimeter square. 9100 centimeter square, and in meter square, your answer is 0.91 meter square.
Yeah, sir. Sir, 1.4. Okay, sir. Got. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the next one, we will convert centimeter in centimeter square.
Find the area of a parallelogram find the height of a parallelogram whose area is given. Base is not given. No problem.
So base is given.
Base is given. Area, height is not given. Sorry, we have to find the height.
Area upon base, sir. Height formula.
Correct. So here the area of the parallelogram is given 54 centimeters square, and
So
the
base we will convert into square.
base is given 15 centimeter. Why will you change the base in square? The length of distance of anything is in centimeter. It is never in centimeter square. Centimeter square or meter square or kilometer square or decimeter square is always the unit of area. एरिया की यूनिट में हमेशा स्क्वायर लगता है. So to find the height we can use the same formula.
Area upon base.
Area is equal to base into height. We know this. Here the height is not given, so how will you find height? You will get area divided by base is height. So 54 divided by 15 divided by 3, 18.
5 3 sir.
5. 18 divided by 5 is 3.6 centimeters.
Area
Okay.